Today I'm going to show you how to file W-2 with TurboTax. If you're getting ready to file your taxes and need to enter your W-2 information, this straightforward process will guide you through adding those forms to your return. Start by opening your TurboTax app. You can do this by opening a browser and heading to turbotax.intuit.com. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your login credentials ready so you can access your tax information quickly. This step gets you into your TurboTax workspace where all your tax filing tools are located. Once your account has loaded, you'll see your dashboard. To file W-2 with TurboTax, head to your left navigation menu and click on Federal. This section contains all your federal tax information and deductions. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From here, hover your cursor over Income. The menu will expand to show you different income categories you can report. From the expanded options, click on Wages and Salaries. This is where TurboTax stores all your W-2 forms and employment income information. From here, you have two options depending on your situation. If you've previously filed your W-2, you also have the option to add another one from a different employer. This is common if you switched jobs during the tax year or worked multiple positions. Click on Add Another W-2. This button opens up a new form entry process specifically designed for additional employers. Once you click that, you'll be walked through the whole process by TurboTax. The platform uses a step-by-step interview style that makes entering your W-2 information simple and straightforward. Simply fill in the required information fields as they appear. You'll need your physical W-2 form handy so you can accurately enter details like your employer's name, their EIN number, your wages, and any withholdings. TurboTax will prompt you for each piece of information one at a time so you won't feel overwhelmed. After entering all the necessary details from your W-2, click on Continue. This saves your information and moves you forward in the filing process. And that's it. You've successfully added your W-2 to TurboTax, and your wage information is now part of your tax return. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.